What's up, guys? Today, we're just doing a little oil change on a HD 550. It's the big boys here. But I was gonna show y'all a little something about if you have a bent arm, a way that you can check to see if it's bent or not. The easy way that I found out that it can give you in the ballpark idea if it is bent or not, or if you could take you like a 4-foot level, make sure that you have your blades where your blades ain't pitched, where they're not flopping, which these are a little stiff because we use pans on this one all the time. So, but if you'll take a 4-foot level and run it across from one side to the next, usually you can tell if there's a gap. Usually there's a gap on the outside edge for wherever it's got a bent arm, which I know this really I don't think it's got no bent arms, but I'm just trying to give y'all an eyeball idea of what to look for. Push that one back up. But yeah, if you put your level across it, put it right on top of about where your arm's at. And then do this one over here. Make sure you got it lined up pretty close, you know. And it gotta be perfect. Sorry about the view. But yeah, if you can see that, that's a magnetic level, so it kind of helps me out. But if you'll look on the edges, see your gap's pretty much closed. If you got a bent arm, usually you'll have a gap right through here on the outside edge. That'll make it a little bit easier for you to kind of find out. You can take it and just turn it to, you can take and turn them, you know, check that side and turn it over here and check this side to see if you got any gaps, which everything looks pretty good on this one, which I know it don't really have no bent arm. We're just changing the oil on it, which that's a pretty simple fix. If y'all don't know how to change the oil, I'll show you that real quick. There's an oil plug right here on the bottom. Right on your oil pan, you just take it out, drain your oil, then change your filter and fill it up. Pretty simple. But I just want to put that out there. That way, if maybe it can help y'all on checking your arms, you know, maybe if you got one bent or not. See, we always run this. We use this in the pan, so we don't hardly ever have problems with the blades or arms on these too much, which they're heavy, so. But maybe that'll help you. Don't forget to subscribe if you like my video.